Policemen conducted a house-to-house visitation in Quezon City today. Let's find out why from Alvin Baltazar.
Amid the expected exodus of Metro residents this Monday, Wednesday, many houses at the National Capital Region surely will be left, which lawless elements may take advantage. That is why both QCPD and PNP Directorate for Police Community Relations literally conducted house-to-house visitation to the streets of Maginhawa and Matimtiman in Barangay Teachers Village in Quezon City. Aside from distributing leaflets containing safety tips against crime, police officials likewise personally reminded household residents to be on alert. Even establishments were reminded of possible crime which may be perpetrated by unscrupulous individuals.
Lalo na po sa bahay-bahay na to, umalis po yung ating mga kababayan para magpasyal sa ibang lugar. So, naisip po namin na mag-ikot-ikot para ma-assure po sila na yung tama nilang gagawin para kung iwanan nila ang kanilang bahay.
Para ma-remind yung mga tao pagpupunta doon sa bakasyonan na dapat ikandado yung lahat ng bituan, bintana. Kung meron sila mga kaibigan o katiwala na kamag-anak, dapat ipagbigay alam kung kailan sila aalis at kung kailan babalik.
According both to Kinsay and Pagdilaw, repentance is no space for criminals as they always longing to victimize innocent civilians. Criminals, according to the officials, are also targeting housemates for them to execute their evil deeds. That is why authorities advise to homeowners see to it that their mates won't be convinced by bad elements and able for them to get inside their target house and ransack the valuables inside it.
Kung meron namang katulong o kasambahay na may iwan, dapat ma-aware din doon sa dugo-dugugang na tumatawag na aksidente. Dapat yung amo at saka yung naiiwan na kasambahay, dapat merong koordinasyon. Kapag may ganun tumatawag, dapat meron silang mga password na sinasabi para siguraduhin na yung amo ba talaga yung tumatawag sa kanya para hindi naloloko yung ating mga kasambahay.
Residents welcome such PNP's campaign, but their wish such aggressiveness may go on not only this kind of season, but become a continuing drive all year round.
Wag lang but a continuous reminder.
For the People's Television, Alvin Baltazar.